be talking about the jump instruction. So there are a lot of jump instructions, and we will look at them here one by one in this video. So the first one is the JO jump instruction. So JO means you jump if it's an overflow. Okay, so if the overflow flag is set to 1. Okay, next is the counterpart of JO, JNO. So jump if not overflow, or the OF flag is equal to 0. Next is JS, so jump if it's signed or the SF flag is equal to 1. Next is JNS, jump if not signed, and that is if SF is equal to 0. So JE and JZ are almost the same, so jump if equal and jump if 0, and they are triggered when the 0 flag or ZF is equal to 1. Next is the counterpart of them, so JNE and JNZ, and they are triggered if the flag ZF is equal to 0. Okay, so next we have JB, JNAE, and JC. So they represent jump if below, jump if not above or equal, jump if carry. So they are triggered if CF, okay, the carry flag is equal to 1, okay? And their counterpart, which is JNB, JAE, JNC, is triggered when the carry flag is equal to 0. Next are JBE, JNA, so they are triggered when CF is equal to 1 or, take note, or ZF is equal to 1. Okay, so either of those conditions. And they will do is jump if below or equal and jump if above. Okay? Their counterpart JA and JNBE, jump if above and jump if not below or equal, needs the condition CF is equal to 0 and, okay, and ZF is equal to 0, meaning both conditions must be met before JN, JA, and JNBE will be triggered. Next is JL, JNGE, so jump if less and jump if not greater or equal. So they work for signed numbers, and they are triggered when SF is not equal to OF. Okay? Their counterpart JGE and JNL, jump if greater or equal and jump if not less than, which also works for signed integers, is triggered when SF is equal to OF. Okay? JLE, JNG, jump if less or equal, jump if not greater, is triggered when ZF is equal to 1 or SF is not equal to OF. Okay? And their counterpart JG, JNLE, jump if greater, jump if not less or equal, works for signed, is triggered when ZF is equal to 0 and SF is equal to OF. Okay? So jumping to parity, so JP and JPE, jump if parity even, is triggered when PF is equal to 1. Remember, we said that parity is triggered if there are even number of ones. And their counterpart, if not parity and parity odd, is triggered when PF is equal to 0. And lastly, JCXZ and JECXZ, so jump if the CX register is equal to 0 and jump if the ECX register is equal to 0. Okay, so thank you for unixwiz.net for this. So you may visit their website for the complete table for jump instructions. Okay, so I hope to see you again next time.